welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to delete an app connection in Zapier to keep your integrations clean and organized. First, log into your Zapier account and navigate to the My Apps section from the left sidebar on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps you've connected to Zapier. Find the app connection you want to remove. Click on the app to open its settings. Then look for the Disconnect or Remove button, usually located near the top right or bottom of the app details page. Click that button and Zapier will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm to delete the app connection. Once removed, Zapier will no longer be able to access that app, and any Zaps relying on it may stop working until you reconnect or update them. Cleaning up unused app connections is a good way to manage your account and avoid confusion in your automation workflows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.